Hello friends, I hope you're doing well. I'm sorry I'm posting a video a bit too late. I was just busy in my housework. So today I'm reading this book and it's called And a Cat from Caramel Market by Elisa Sadin Kapukili, illustrations by Roden Teplo. So let's get into the book. Bub's Shabbat meal was all planned. She took her list and cart in hand. For my Shabbat dinner, I know the place. I'm off to Caramel Market. She chose a jallah brown, just so, tall white candle to shine and glow. A chicken for soup from the butcher shop, and a cat from Caramel Market. Oi, my cart is growing full, Bub said with a push and pull. A fine cloth table is what I need, and a cat from Caramel Market. Bub walked from stall to stall. These noodles are the best of all. Potatoes for Kugel, carrots and squash, and a cat from Caramel Market. Then grapes and peaches, plums and pears, fresh figs and dates beyond compare. A pomegranate, rosy and ripe, and a cat from Caramel Market. Oi, my cart is growing full, Bub said with a push and a pull. A bouquet of flowers is what I need, and a cat from Caramel Market. Bub continued on her way. So many shoppers on this busy day. A bit of wine, a brisket to stew, and a cat from Caramel Market. In and out and all around, olives, chickpeas, mint she found. A babka and a halva treat, and a cat from Caramel Market. Oi, my cart is growing full, Bub said with a push and a pull. Some music, I think, is what I need, and a cat from Caramel Market. Bub headed home to cook, and Shabbat groceries from the shuk. My list is complete, I have it all, and a cat from Caramel Market. She mixed and stirred and tasted with zeal. She salted and peppered and spiced the meal. Chicken soup, kugel, roasted meats, vegetable fruits, and tasty sweets. The challah was covered. The guests came in. With the setting sun came a yowling din. Where is it coming from? They all wanted to know. From the cats of Caramel Market. Oi, oi, what should Bub do? Should she send them away or tell them, shoo? Bub looked around at her table full, and all she'd brought home with a push and a pull. But she lit the candles, and what a surprise! All the cats settled down before her eyes. Shabbat Shalom to all her friends and the cats from Caramel Market. The end. I hope you love this video and thank you for being wonderful listeners. Thank you. Bye.